Welcome back. Today, we're upgrading one of the most overused phrases in English. I think. Stay till the end to learn and master these handy phrases. Let's begin. I feel like. Listen.
I feel like this is a good idea.
Repeat. I'd say. Listen.
I'd say this is the best option.
Repeat. I reckon. Listen.
I reckon this will work.
Repeat. I guess. Listen.
I guess we can try that.
Repeat. It seems like. Listen.
It seems like they're already working on it.
Repeat. From my point of view. Listen.
From my point of view, this makes more sense.
Repeat. As far as I can tell. Listen.
As far as I can tell, everything is fine.
Repeat. The way I see it. Listen.
The way I see it, we need more time.
Repeat. I'm not sure, but. Listen.
I'm not sure, but this might work.
Repeat. It looks like. Listen.
It looks like it's going to rain.
Repeat. I believe. Listen.
I believe this is the right decision.
Repeat. I'm convinced that. Listen.
I'm convinced that this will work.
Repeat. Now let's take this to the next level.
I feel like this is a good idea. I feel like we're missing something here. I'd say this is the best option. I'd say this approach is more practical. I reckon this will work. I reckon we should leave early. I guess we can try that. I guess we'll find out soon. It seems like they're already working on it. It seems like things are improving. From my point of view, this makes more sense. From my point of view, this isn't the best solution. As far as I can tell, everything is fine. As far as I can tell, there's no major issue. The way I see it, we need more time. The way I see it, we should focus on the basics. I'm not sure, but this might work. I'm not sure, but we might be overthinking this. It looks like it's going to rain. It looks like they've already made a decision. I believe this is the right decision. I believe we can handle this. I'm convinced that this will work. I'm convinced that this is the right move.
Great job! You've just upgraded one of the most overused phrases in English. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.